Hey guys, downtown Redneck, Labor Day. It's going to be in the 103, 102 feels like temperature today. I figured I had some time off, get some stuff done on it. I had a whole bunch of other sanding video that I took on time lapse, but it apparently disappeared from about 3 weeks ago. But we're getting to the home stretch on the outside here. Got a whole bunch of sanding up top, edges, doing some contouring and things like that. A lot of real boring stuff. I'm just going to try to power through it and get a lot of it on time lapse if I can. And then we got to put this, seal up all the edges and put some bed liner on the exterior and get the windows and doors in hopefully within the next couple of weeks. So I apologize for the boringness of this video, but it's sanded. It's something that has to be done. And well, let's get to it. Alrighty, I've been out here for about 3-4 hours or so. Heat's just about got to me. Got everything sanded down. Got some rubberized material on all of my seams. Except for down here, I ran out. But stuff I used is stuff called Plastidip. Comes in a spray can. Works really well. Been using it for years in automotive stuff and other just general sealing. But yeah, it's a ton of fun doing all this in 100-degree heat in the middle of Houston's stupidly high humidity. But I'm getting a good bit done. As you can see, it's still coming along on the inside. Haven't quite got it all painted yet. That's probably what I'll do next. My little electric box that I've hooked up my lights and those little fans, so when I'm in there it's not terrible. Yeah, that's what's going on right now. Getting real close. Should be getting the exterior sealant, the bed liner, hopefully within the next week or two. That way I can get the exterior painted and waterproofed, and then I can finally get my spot back in the garage. Hey guys, it's the 16th September. A little bit longer than I'd hoped to get a video out, but it's in the morning, about 10:30. Temperature's only about 90. It's gonna get hotter. Figured I'd get out here and put some stuff on the trailer. Got some more plastic dip. Stuff's great. Just rubber in a can, spray it where it needs to go, putting it on all the seams. Got some stuff to do on the roof. Throw up a little bit more on some of the sides that got a little bit of thinner coat, and then I'm going to do some painting on the inside and get that done today. Still haven't got the exterior yet, still waiting on that, but anyway, let's get to it. Alright, after a few hours, I've managed to get everything painted. It's really nice over here. You really can't see where the seam is. On top of that, it's now a rubber connection point, so if there's any swelling or anything like that, not going to be a crack in the actual sealant. I don't know if that's going to be an issue with the bed liner material or not, but extra layer of protection for any of the corners or anything like that. Did another layer on the inside, finished up the walls, be able to work on the ceiling next. Just as a testament of how hot it is out here, middle of a time lapse, phone overheated and shut off, so I'm doing a little walkthrough as I cleaned up already, showing everything off on the inside. So the TV's going to go right there. Still have to work on that shelf up there, but that's a later date. There you go. Thanks for watching.